Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Metro Nicole and I make lifestyle and cleaning content here on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite cleaning products that are must-have for my household. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned. I hope the lighting and stuff kind of works out. I've been taking a couple of shots. Unfortunately, it's kind of gloomy outside. But this is the only day I really couldn't sit down and kind of record some of the videos. So this video was inspired from one of my favorite YouTube friends. She always watches my videos. She always comments on all my videos, and I so heartily appreciate that. And she asked if I can share some of my favorite cleaning products. I don't think I've ever done like a sit down video sharing some of the things that I love to clean with and some that are staples for my household. So I'm gonna first start off what I would use in the kitchen, what I would mop with, and then I will use kind of my bathroom and kind of everyday cleaning products. Some things I clean with they're just something I would just pick up and clean with, but in today's video are some of my favorite ones and some I've been using for years. So let's get started with the kitchen. I would say my dish soap, the only thing I would recommend washing my dishes with is Dawn. I would go between the Dawn dish power wash or the Dawn Platinum. It doesn't matter. I know there's so many different Dawn dish soap out there. It doesn't matter. I prefer these. I feel like they do easily soak off the dirt from your dishes, or not dirt, but food from the dishes. I highly recommend them. I just can't speak enough. You can't go wrong. I feel like in the past I've used Ajax only because it was cheaper and you get a bigger quantity, but I feel like with Ajax dish soap, I would have to let my dishes soak long. With these, easy breezy peasy. My sponges that I recommend are Sponge Daddy. So my Sponge Daddy sponges are the only sponges that I recommend cleaning with. Of course, I have like my brushes and stuff like that, but when it comes to sponges, I recommend this brand. I do have a separate one for the kitchen, and then we have different colored ones for the bathroom and such. And I think I replace these maybe every 2 months. It just varies. I feel like even when these things get old, they don't tear apart, but Sponge Daddy does not let me down, has never let me down. So I highly recommend this brand if you're looking for a new sponge. When it comes to dishwasher pods, I highly recommend Cascade. I've tried like Cascade, the liquid one. I've tried the Walmart brand, but this is the one that I highly recommend. I would only use the Cascade Platinum. This is the only one out of Cascade that I feel like cleans my dishes, even if I don't wash them first, even if I just leave the food on them. And I made a short on this with my initial reaction. If I can link it in the description box, I will. But with the Cascade Platinum, it says scrubs away dried on food, virtually spot-free shine, and grease fighting power with Dawn. 10 times out of 10, I back this up. I was like, I have never tried a dishwashing pod or soap that got everything off. So this is something that I always buy. Sometimes, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I just look at the prices because some stuff is more expensive than the other thing. So I go with the cheaper brand, or I go with the off brand. And sometimes you just have to spend the extra $1 or $2 and just get the name brand and stick with what works. Okay, now we're gonna move on to what I clean my stove and my kitchen sink with. I go between different things, but the biggest thing I would do is the Dawn Dawn dish soap. Scrub Daddy Tangerine Clean, this cleaning paste. This is really good for your stovetop or inside your stove, your oven, and also the refrigerator. And this one comes with a yellow sponge, or no, a white sponge, and I've used those, and I've had yellow sponges with this too, and I haven't had an issue. Or if you want to clean your sink, your kitchen sink, you can clean that. But those are the only 3 things that I use to clean this product with. This is another Sponge Daddy product that I use. This is an all-purpose cleaning cream, ultimate tough dirt removal in minutes. It has a smart crystal technology, so it's basically telling you can use it on the stove, the bathroom, and I've only used this on like my oven, like my stove, and my kitchen sink. So I think these 2 combinations, or just one or the other with dish soap, is perfectly fine, or just by themselves is perfectly fine as well. Okay, now we're gonna move on to what I clean my stainless steel appliances with, and this is the only thing I recommend cleaning with. This is the first place, like, or even my last place, you guys know if you've been following me, that's the only time I personally have had stainless steel appliances. Prior to my other residence, I've had like black and white appliances. So stainless steel was something new for me, and I was struggling with buying something to keep it clean. I think I've tried like Zip or Zeep stainless steel cleaner. I think I tried like a Target brand stainless cleaner, or it was one in Target, and my sister recommended something, and nothing really worked to where I felt like it kept it clean or smudge proof for days. Like it would clean it for that day, but I felt like soon as I touched it, it would leave my fingerprints behind. And those who know they have children, you know, enough said, this stuff gets kind of messy quickly in the kitchen, because that is a high traffic area. Everybody's going in and out throughout the day, or just coming in the house, you know. So the only thing I found that works best for me is spray away. Let me tell you guys, I had no idea spray away sold as stainless steel cleaner. We all know they have glass cleaner, but when I saw this, and I was kind of apprehensive on buying it, because again, I tried a lot of stuff. I've even tried Fabuloso, Pine Sol. I've tried I think I tried actual other glass cleaner like Windex spray away. Again, those things clean it temporarily, but I needed something that would keep it more long term. This is hands down the only thing I feel like works for me. Again, it says stainless steel cleaner and polish, protects and preserve, resist fingerprints, oil base. You can't go wrong with this. Like our refrigerator will stay like fingerprint free for like almost a week, probably, if even longer. I love this stuff, and I feel like it's not messy. I'm able to clean up, and that was something else I was running into. Some of the sprays or the cleaners that I was running to for the stains, they would just get messy and all over the place. I would never go back to anything else for sure. Okay, so if you're interested in, I highly recommend this one. So when it comes to like wood cleaner for my dining room table and my living room, like I have I use it as a TV center, but it's a buffet that goes with my dining room table. The only thing I would use for a wood cleaner is Orange Glow. So this is a wood cleaner. It says 2-in-1 clean and polish. It has real vanilla, orange oil, no wax, water, or alcohol. I've cleaned different stuff with my dining room table, but something you're looking for a high shine and it can last, definitely go ahead and get this one. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the mopping cleaning products, and I'm gonna share with you what I recommend for my flooring. Y'all know I love making wet mopping videos. I love mopping videos. I love watching them. But with my flooring, when I moved into this place, it's vinyl flooring. I don't like it. Kudos to anyone who does love it, but to me, it stains very easily. I just don't prefer it, but you know, it is what it is. And my old place, I had like tile and I wood plank paneling or whatnot. I would just use Pine Sol at my old place. That was all what I would mop with there, and I didn't have any issues with that. But when I came here, Pine Sol by itself would not clean my vinyl flooring. I'm sorry, it just didn't. So I had to do some research, and someone recommended Zeep. Zeep or Zep, however you want to say it. This is it. So Zip is a natural pH 4 cleaner. It's concentrated, so it cleans and restores shines, no rinsing needed, maintain polish without stripping, protecting coating. It's suitable for vinyl, marble, granite, and stone floors. This is the only thing I recommend cleaning, like mopping my kitchen floor with, because the kitchen floor is the busier part of the house. Like my bathroom floors, I can clean with like Pine Sol, or I'll clean with different things with that, because that doesn't get stained like that compared to the kitchen floor. And then when it comes to mopping, I use the Zeep pH floor cleaner and Pine Sol. I still use Pine Sol, and this is just the two that I love to use together. Now when it comes to the actual mop head, I only recommend Cedar. I've only found this at Home Depot or Lowe's, and this is a huge bottle. I've had, like, this is only my second purchase. Like it does last pretty long. Okay, so now we're gonna kind of move on to the bathroom cleaning products, and then we're gonna talk about glass cleaner and my everyday cleaning. When it comes to cleaning glass cleaners, I've tried a lot of different things with those. I think Zeep even has a glass cleaner. That was okay. It's not something my go-to where I would grab. The only two things I grab is my spray away cleaner, Windex. Windex is an oldie but goodie for me, so I will continue to purchase this one even when it runs out. This is something I naturally grab. I sometimes do favor this one over the spray away, but one of my daughters, she prefers the spray away glass cleaner over the Windex, so I'm gonna always continue to buy this. This one I feel like needs a learning curve, because I remember when I first tried this, I did not like it. I felt like it left streaks. It was okay, and then someone was like, oh, you have to turn off your light when you use it, and I feel like, okay, I mean, it's grown on me, but again, I always go to Windex first. My mirrors or any type of glass that I'm gonna clean, or even my windows, I recommend these two as cleaning products for sure. Okay, now we're gonna move on to my favorite bathroom cleaners. My favorite thing to clean is my shower. I don't know what it is, but I love cleaning my shower. I love getting on my hands and knees and cleaning the bottom of my shower. It just, I don't know, it's just, I just love it because you can do the scrubbing, you can have so much suds. It's my favorite thing to do. Dun dun dun, I think y'all probably already know that. Clorox disinfecting cleaner. Bathroom disinfecting cleaner. Always pay attention to that. And then Ajax. Ajax with bleach. These two hands down are my favorite thing to clean. One thing you guys have to pay attention to, something I've said before, is look at how to use the product, because sometimes with this bathroom disinfecting cleaner, it tells you if you have a heavy soiled area, you need to clean that area first and then use this and leave this on whatever surface area cleaning for 10 minutes. I do my deep clean. I do clean with dun 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 Fabuloso. So Fabuloso. This is by far one of my favorite everyday cleaners. This is a multi-purpose cleaner. It's not a disinfectant, so you have to pay attention. If you're looking for a disinfectant, you need to get something that says disinfectant. Fabuloso, I feel like, has a stronger scent. It lingers for days. So that is one of the reasons why I love Fabuloso. If I'm doing a deep clean, especially if I've gone all week or maybe a week and a half of just doing quick cleans, and I feel like, oh, my bathroom needs a good deep clean, I do Fabuloso first. Then I'll clean everything off with that, or I'll get like a, what do you call it? A microfiber cloth. I'll clean everything down, spray everything down. I'll let this sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll use the Ajax, where I'll put this inside the sink, also only on the bottom of the shower floor. only because in my new shower, grid pattern, and to me it was harder to get the Ajax off of that grid, if you know what I mean. So I don't use this. I only use this on the bottom of the shower or like a smooth surface. So keep that in mind. If you have something that has like a tiny grid patterns, you're gonna have to put extra effort into cleaning that. But I had someone on TikTok, and by the way guys, if you have TikTok or Instagram, definitely follow me on those accounts. I have that linked in my description, or I'll probably try to link it in this video. But someone did ask me on TikTok, how do I keep my shower white? And again, even though I live in a new townhome, I do think it's because of these two products, because even in my last place, I've only used these two and it keeps everything clean. My final cleaning product, that my favorite stuff that I'm going to talk about, is my toilet. So it's one of the favorite ones that I like to use in terms of inside the toilet is Lysol Power Cleaning Gel. They have a Clorox one and I feel like that one's fine too, but my go-to that I've been loving right now is the Lysol one. So if you're on the hunt to look for something, I like something, a power gel, that's thick. So I put it underneath the toilet rim and I let that sit for a while and I clean with that. Inside my toilet is the Clorox Toilet Wand Cleaning. I've used this for years. I feel like it just keeps the disinfectant stuff down in terms of just reusing a toilet brush wand, one that you just purchase from the store and keep it off to the side. I don't care for that anymore. I'm just thinking about like all this stuff that can still be lingering inside of it. I just love where you get one of these, you clean inside and you can toss it in the trash. And I have one for my bathroom and I buy a separate one for the girls' bathroom, and that's it. I keep forgetting that I can get these refills from Costco, so I feel like the next time I get them, I'm gonna just get them from Costco. Just kind of recapping, when it comes to the kitchen, I love Dawn dish soap. I love my Cascade. I love my Scrub Daddy sponges, and I also use Scrub Daddy sponges for the bathroom. That's the only sponge that I do use. Bath and in mopping is definitely the Zeep. If you have vinyl floors, I highly recommend that. If you want to look for a good stovetop cleaner, you can use Dove or you can use Scrub Daddy. Stainless steel, I only recommend the stainless steel spray away. Like, I want y'all to try this and you tell me how you like it. And then when it comes to wood cleaner, Orange Glow it's another good. It's the only one I clean my my wood furniture with. And then the bathroom, y'all already know, my Clorox spray and Ajax. I've been doing this combo for years. These are only two I recommend in terms of a deep clean, and I do want to try the Fabuloso antibacterial one, and I'm going to be trying that soon. But everyday cleaning, Fabuloso, and also I like cleaning my cabinets with this too, or some Dawn dish soap. It doesn't matter, but these are the two, only because the sink, it gets it sparkly clean and the smell lasts. So that's why I highly recommend that. I already told you about the mirror cleaner, Windex and spray away. Toilet is Clorox and Lysol. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. Give them a try and leave a comment below some of your favorite cleaning products. And if there's anything you want me to try, I don't mind trying that as well. All right guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.